everybody at MG Cleaners. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the three things we're going to cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and that is anything you can see on your site here. That does also include the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. So I would definitely suggest getting some more content on your website, and that will allow you to integrate keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. And that's also really the first step to kind of getting ranked on Google. It's a very important part of things. So you would definitely want to get that content and add in those keywords. We'll move along to the next thing, which is backlinks, or excuse me, citations. I apologize. So citations have a lot to do with this section here. This is called the map pack. And a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories and grab those listings for your business. But you wouldn't just want to stop there. So for instance, say your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab those same 10, but then you would want to double, triple, even quadruple your listings. So if they have 10, you want to go out and get, 20, 30, 40 more. That will help you to completely dominate them in that space, but it's also going to help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So now we will move on to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. That's called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website and is pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to you as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and a lot more powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here and put your site into it. It's not showing a lot of data for you right now, but I did want to be able to give you kind of a visual representation of what I'm talking about. So I did pull up one of the top competitors as well. So it's showing that they have 371 referring domains, which is giving them 17.1 thousand backlinks. That's getting them found for 732 keywords, and that's driving 906 people to their website per month. And I'm going to see if I can just pull up their keywords here just to give you an idea of what we're looking for. All right, here we go. So we will pay attention to this section here. This is the volume section. So this number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for monthly. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So anything that someone's going to think to type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So let's see what they have. Here's a perfect one. So cleaning services in Nigeria. So this is a perfect key phrase because number one, it lists the service that you're providing, and then it lists the area that this company is trying to target. It also has a high search volume as well. So that's the kind of thing you would want to add into the content on your website. And they have a ton of keywords. I certainly won't bore you and go through all of these, but this at least gives you an idea of the kinds of things you would be looking for. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And as I had mentioned, you don't ever just want to stop there. You want to continually build on to whatever it is that your competition has. That's what's going to get you to that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it very difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And I thank you again, and you have a great week ahead.